Ever pondered on the contents of your diet? Ever given a thought to the spice Star Anise? This exotic star-shaped spice has been used for centuries in Asian cuisine and traditional medicine. But why exactly should you consider adding Star Anise to your diet? Well, here are 10 compelling reasons. First up, it's a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants are substances that help protect your cells against free radicals, which cause oxidative stress and can lead to chronic diseases. Star Anise is packed with antioxidants, making it a powerful ally in the fight against these harmful substances. Secondly, Star Anise has antimicrobial properties. This means it can help fight against bacteria, yeast, and fungi. This can be particularly useful in maintaining a healthy gut flora, which is vital for overall health. Thirdly, it's a great source of vitamins and minerals. Star Anise is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as calcium and iron. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and boosting the immune system. Fourth on the list, Star Anise has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or illness. However, chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems. Star Anise can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Fifthly, it may aid digestion. Traditional medicine has long used Star Anise to treat digestive issues like bloating, gas, indigestion, and constipation. Sixth, it can promote good sleep. Star Anise contains a compound called neurolidol, which has sedative properties and can help improve sleep quality. The seventh reason is that Star Anise may help regulate blood sugar. Some studies suggest that compounds in Star Anise could help manage blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting those with diabetes or prediabetes. Eighth, it can support respiratory health. Traditional medicine often uses Star Anise in teas and other beverages to ease cough and improve breathing. Ninth, Star Anise may support bone health. It's rich in calcium, a mineral vital for bone strength and density. And finally, it's simply delicious. Star Anise has a sweet, licorice-like flavor that can add a unique touch to a variety of dishes. To summarize, Star Anise is a potent antioxidant, has antimicrobial properties, is a great source of vitamins and minerals, has anti-inflammatory properties, may aid digestion, can promote good sleep, may help regulate blood sugar, can support respiratory health, may support bone health, and is simply delicious. The benefits of Star Anise are vast and varied, and with its unique flavor, it's an easy and enjoyable addition to any diet. So the next time you're pondering over your diet, why not consider incorporating some Star Anise? Your body might just thank you for it. Like and subscribe for more nutritional news.